In the year 2025, raising chickens taught me lessons I was not prepared for. Some days were good, other days were painful. If you are thinking poultry farming is easy, stay with me because today I'm sharing what I truly learned and the challenges I faced raising my chickens. Happy New Year, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Esther and my channel name is Esther Farm, and I raise chickens in a small urban space. In 2025, I raised over 100 chickens, and honestly, this journey changed me. Today, I want to talk openly about what poultry farming taught me and the challenges no one really talks about. First lesson I learned is that space is more important than numbers. One of the biggest lessons I learned in 2025 is that space matters more than how many chickens you have. At first, I focused on numbers, more chickens and more profit, but overcrowding brought stress, diseases, and slow growth. So I had to rethink everything and start using vertical space and better planning. This lesson alone saved my chickens. The second lesson I learned in 2025 is daily routine is everything. Chickens don't care how tired you are. If you miss feeding time, they feel it. If you forget water, problem starts immediately, no eggs. 2025 taught me discipline, a strong daily routine, feeding, cleaning, checking water became non-negotiable. Poultry farming rewards consistency, not excuses. The third lesson I learned is chickens get sick very fast. Another hard lesson I learned is how fast disease can spread. One sick chicken can affect many in just a short time. At first, I ignored small signs, slow movement, loss of appetite. Those small mistakes really made me incur a lot of losses. Now I observe my chickens daily, isolate early, and keep hygiene a top priority. Number 5 lesson is you must keep learning. I learned more from my mistakes than from any book. From YouTube, failed farmers, and daily observation, I kept improving. Poultry farming is about adapting. If you stop learning, you fall behind. Lesson number 6 is about security. I learned that I should invest in security by investing in a secure predator-proof coop, and this is so essential to protect the flock from predators. Now, like here, you can see it is inside an empty room. This is where I have constructed a coop because of preventing thieves to access my coop. But sometimes people really discourage this kind of raising chickens in an indoor coop, but it really helps so much because here in our area, raising your chickens in an outdoor coop, that means you raise for the thieves. That is why I feel comfortable raising my chickens in this room. Number 7 lesson I learned in 2025 is that vaccination is very important because it prevents some dangerous diseases that can wipe your flock like Newcastle, Guboro, and also I learned that deworming is also essential to chickens. Those are the 7 lessons I learned in 2025, and now these are the biggest challenges I faced. Year 2025 was not easy because I faced diseases. I lost some chickens due to diseases. One day I woke up and I found my 5 weeks chicks so sick, like 30 chicks. They were diarrheaing, so I had to look for medication very fast, but unfortunately I lost like 10, the ones that were very sick. Chickens are funny because you can leave them at night very okay, but when you wake up in the morning you find them very sick, so you should keep checking on your birds every time not to lose them. Another challenge was high cost of feed. The feed kept on increasing the prices, and this could also affect our pockets and also losses in some cases. Sometimes I was forced to dig deeper in my pocket, and this was not planned. The third challenge is limited space. Sometimes I could require to keep some of my chickens, especially when isolating cocks to grow ready for market, but the space was limited, so I had to look for somewhere to raise them. So challenges are there when raising chickens. The fourth challenge is getting tired. When raising chickens, we get so tired because of feeding, cleaning, collecting eggs, and making sure you are allowed to check whether we have sick birds. So we make so many visits in the coop to make sure everything is okay. And some days I felt overwhelmed. There are moments I wanted to quit, but every morning the chickens reminded me why I started. All in all, this is how this journey changed me. Raising chickens taught me responsibilities. It taught me patience. It taught me discipline. It gave me confidence and a new purpose. And it is inspired me to share this journey with you here on YouTube. If you are starting your poultry farming, here are my advice. Start small. Don't overcrowd your birds. Observe your chickens every day. Invest in cleanliness. Also be patient and be ready to learn. Mistakes will happen, but don't quit. This year wasn't perfect, but it changed my life because raising chickens is not just farming, it is commitment. If you are scared to start, start anyway. Learn as you go. Thank you so much for supporting this journey. Before I end this video, I want to take this opportunity to thank all of you who have been supporting this channel by subscribing, watching my videos, your comments. I don't take this for granted. Thank you so much. So what I would like you to do this year is continue watching my videos till the end and don't skip the ads. Let's learn until they are over to support me in my earnings. Also, kindly join my membership to be my family. And also, if you want to support this channel in any way, maybe through M-Pesa, you can use this number on the screen. Support this channel. I would like to improve on my videos by buying a good camera and a tripod stand. So feel free to support us. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe and share. Comment below what lessons has poultry farming taught you. Happy New Year 2026, year full of God's blessings. Let's meet in another one. God bless you all.